welcome back to Lavender. Lately, I've been obsessed with essential oils, so today I want to share 7 easy ways to use essential oils in your home. The first method is simple. Use an essential oil diffuser. I use my diffuser daily and fill it up with whatever scents I feel like at the moment. I love blending different oils to create new aromas. It's like my own way to be creative. You could check out my blog post that I've linked down below for my favorite recipes, but the best part of this is there are no rules. You can really put whatever oils you feel like. Secondly, you can use essential oils in DIY cleaning sprays. These are a great, non-toxic way to clean your home. First, make sure you use a glass spray bottle because essential oils can degrade plastic. Here are the ingredients you'll need for today's recipe. Mix 2 tablespoons of Castile soap with 10 to 15 drops of essential oils. I put 6 drops of lavender, 6 drops of rosemary, and 3 drops of grapefruit essential oil. Then add 2 cups of distilled water and shake well. This recipe is safe to use on all surfaces and it's best when used with a microfiber cloth. If you're curious, I'll list the most powerful essential oils for cleaning in my blog post, as well as 2 other recipes for all-purpose cleaners using ingredients such as white vinegar and vodka, so you can check all of that in the link below. If you don't have a diffuser, you can create your own rice diffuser by simply filling a small bowl with rice, then adding a few drops of your favorite essential oils. Here I'm adding a blend of sweet orange and rosewood. The scent is sweet, deep, and rich, and it smells so good. Just add a few drops of those oils and mix it in with the rice. Super easy. Later, after the scent dies down, you can mix up the rice to activate the scent from below or just add some more essential oil to the rice. You can also scent your drawers and your closet with cotton balls or cotton pads. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils onto the cotton and place it into your drawers and around your closet. I love opening my drawers and smelling that fresh lavender scent. It's so calming, it makes a huge difference. Reusable wool dryer balls are a natural way to soften fabric and dry clothes more quickly in the dryer. They work by getting in between your clothes, letting more hot air in and around your laundry. So what you can do is add a few drops of essential oils onto your wool balls a few minutes before tossing them into the dryer. So this is a natural way to gently scent your laundry without using dryer sheets that are laced with chemicals and artificial scents. This method is the most fun by far. Tear off a piece of tissue and put a couple drops of essential oils on it. Then lay the tissue on your floor and go over it with your vacuum cleaner. Once your vacuum picks up the tissue, the scent will fill the barrel and be dispersed into the air from the other end of your vacuum. It was my first time trying this and I was genuinely impressed. Lastly, you can always mix your essential oils with carrier oils like coconut oil or olive oil for various uses. You can use it as a body oil, massage oil, treatment for skin or scalp issues, and so much more. Here I'm mixing lavender with olive oil and it smelled so good. I'm just using it as a body oil to moisturize and also applying some onto my scalp to treat dry scalp and dandruff. Each essential oil has its own properties and benefits, so Google is your best friend for finding the right essential oil for your needs. This video barely scratches the surface with what you can do with essential oils, so I hope you have fun experimenting. Like always, more info and links are in the description below. Love you all so much. Bye!